In this video, I'm going to show you an instant cloud search that helps you navigate through your cloud files from various services. Before we proceed, make sure you subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get daily tech videos. Let's get started. To get started, click the Get Started button from the website. A link to this website is in the video description. After that, you have to create an account. Once done, you get this screen to launch Command E. When you click that button, it gives you a link to install the app. Follow that link and download the Command E app. When the download completes, click the Setup file and follow on-screen instructions to install the app. Click the Get Started button in the app and select Sign In. The app logs in using the web interface within the browser. During the login, it prompts you to install the browser extension. Install the extension as well, it helps you to authenticate your service integration via the web browser. Now we can go back to the app and connect the services. The app lists all the supported services, select the services you want to connect and proceed. After that, you have to connect all the selected services either by extension or direct web login. Once the services are connected, the app is ready to use. All you have to do is press Ctrl and E key together on your keyboard. This opens the app search interface where you can search across all the connected services. Each service has a separate tab as well. You can invite people, send feedback, and manage services from settings. Once again, you can access the Command E on any screen using the hotkey, search your files, and click on them to open in the web browser. This is how you can instantly navigate through all your web services in one place. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. I love free software TV for more videos like this.